Get up. Good morning, guys. We're out here pigeon hunting today. Got 5 spinners out. There's about 80 pigeons in here. It's gonna be a good day.
Waiting on the first ones to come.
Yep.
Cole, any words for you this morning?
I'm hoping to get 2.
2?
2.
That's I would sure.
2 bands.
I would sure hope the 2 at least is a good bet. But yep, sun hasn't came up yet, and we're waiting on the first one to fly. Cranes are talking. Cranes are up and flying, and some honkers going down in the pond. Oh my God, so greasy. I'm so ready for honker season, let me tell you. So ready. Cole and Zach went over to this closest barn. There's usually a pigeon or 2 that are roosted in there. Gonna try and jump them out, get something going here. Oh, I'm ready for goose season.
Go. Good one.
How did I miss that?
Jesus.
That was the easiest thing I ever had.
Go. Wow. That's terrible. I mean, one went down. Watch that. Go. Dang.
3rd shot.
That was a really expensive pigeon.
Zach, fetch that one. You got shells?
No.
I'll give you 2.
Zach, hold on. We got 2 back left. Is that one or a killdeer? Huh?
No.
Alright, you're good. Go. Nice.
Toast.
What is he?
Toast. Toast.
Toast.
Go. Right, dang. This one's behind. Dude, I lost this one in front in the sun.
Jeez.
Yeah, one literally just got out of the corn, like in the dip to your left.
Oh, really?
Yeah, single.
Go.
Oh, wait.
I got one.
I cannot see shit in that song,
I somehow poked one out of the dead sun.
I got the one that was right in front of me. Because he was just sitting there. So I went, bang!
What are you doing? Oh.
I shot right when he was in the sun. That was dumb. Call work.
We just turned him on a dime. Get him.
Boy!
Get him.
Wow, we suck.
Here, get back down a sec. Maybe. I got one.
Zach's getting excited.
Get him.
Yeah!
Hell yeah, brother.
Oh, one's up still. Get down, see if he comes over. Hey, I just...
Bad mistake.
I had it covered, boys.
Go.
Fuck yeah, I got a double, baby.
I got 3, I think. Watch that one.
Hey, one's dive bomb.
Right there.
Oh, that's way too high. Where'd they come from?
Somewhere on the right, I guess. Get him.
Yeah, good.
Here, here.
Go on. I don't know who got that one.
Straight up. Get up.
Jeez, how many shots do you have?
5.
Get back down, see if they come over.
Oh, we got 3.
I got 2.
I got 1. Oh, fuck. You let the white wing go.
Ah.
Damn it, guys.
Oh, they might be coming. The last one I shot at dodged the crap out of my shot.
not see them.
Good job, boy. Ah, juicy. Alright, shoot your lane, boy. Go. Back down.
I don't think we got any.
Yeah, I got one.
Go on your left. Maybe.
Oh, did you get any?
How many got out? Two?
Oh, I killed one.
I got two.
Shoot him.
A little farther, Einstein.
Yeah, he looked a lot closer than he's that one.
Got that?
Get him.
I hit him. I didn't hit very good.
Alright, stay down, they're up again. I really don't think any of those.
Well, today was my first pigeon hunt. We got out there pretty early, set out a couple spinners, and took a while for the pigeons to come, but they eventually came. We shot 42 today, and yeah, it was a good first pigeon hunt. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you on the next one.